When it comes to getting funding for your real estate deals, one of the best sources of capital is what's called hard money. Now that's a nickname for it. It's really asset-based lending. And on today's video, what I want to do is I want to talk about the basics of understanding hard money and how it works. Let's do it right now on this video. All right, Jerry Norton here, and welcome to another video on the Real Estate Freedom TV channel. Everything we talk about here is to help you become a better real estate investor, learn how to flip houses, make money so that you can live your dream life, so that you can have, do, be, and give everything that really matters in life. And that's what this is all about. And on today's video, I want to talk about learning the basics of hard money. Now, hard money is a type of funding that you can get for your fix and flip deals. What's great about hard money is hard money lenders focus primarily on the merits of the deal and not you personally, right? Banks focus on you personally. They want credit, your income, whereas hard money, it's not personal. They don't care about you, they care about the deal. And so that's what I love about hard money, because it doesn't matter about your credit history, none of that matters. So if you've got bad credit or no credit, or you have bad credit history, you've had foreclosures in the past, whatever, it doesn't matter with hard money. A hard money lender wants to make sure it's a good deal. If it's a good deal, they'll lend you on the deal. What I've done is I've outlined up here 4 things that are really important for you to understand if you're borrowing hard money. Now, there are over 25 things that you would need to ask a hard money lender to find out about when you're borrowing hard money. I put that all together here in this free resource guide. You can download that for free. The link is in the description. Let's talk about 4 of the most important things that you need to understand about hard money. First is what we call LTV. Now, LTV stands for loan to value. This is really the equity in a deal. If you were to get hit by a bus crossing the street tomorrow, is there enough equity in the deal that the hard money lender could take back the property, quickly sell it on the open market, and get their money back? Typically, hard money lenders like to be at 70% loan to value. Now, what does that mean exactly? If the property is worth $100,000, then they only want to lend at max $70,000. So there's a $30,000 equity in the deal, or enough money in the event that you default on the loan, get hit by a bus, and they have to take the property back and sell it, which is okay because we're borrowing at 65 to 70% anyway, so we should meet that requirement easily when we're doing deals. Now, the second thing is loan to capital. Loan to capital. This is a ratio that they use to determine how much of the capital you need that they're going to lend you. Let's say that the purchase is $70,000 and the repairs are $30,000, a total of $100,000 capital. A hard money lender doesn't want to lend you 100% of the capital. They may only lend you 80 to 90%. So what does that mean? It means that if your total capital needed for the investment is $100,000 and they'll lend you 80%, then they'll lend you $80,000. The reason why they don't want to give you 100% is risk. If they give you all of the money and things don't work out, you have no skin in the game, you can walk from the deal. I'll show you on other videos. Be sure to watch how to get 100% funding for your deals. It's a combination of hard money and private money. The next thing we're going to talk about is interest. Hard money is usually interest only. It's not amortized, meaning you're not paying any principal. You're just paying interest on the loan. So if you've got a $100,000 loan and you're paying 10%, and then that would be just what you're paying, just the interest, no principal reduction. That's okay. We're flipping the property. We're not going to be in it that long. So we're not interested in paying down the principal over time because we're going to flip it in the short term, right? The next thing I want to talk about is points. 1 point is equivalent to 1% of the loan amount. It's a lump sum fee. If you're borrowing $100,000, 1 point is the same as $1,000. Okay, it's not interest, it's not anything else, it's just a fee to borrow the money. You would pay that on top of your monthly interest payments and any other fees that they might have. So hard money lenders typically charge points, and it's a way to increase their return on investment. Usually there's a few other fees that's outside of interest and point. An origination fee, there may be an appraisal fee, a documentation fee. There's a lot of things that you want to ask a hard money lender. I've got 25 questions that you want to go through and ask before you you borrow hard money. I put that together here in my resource guide. You can download that for free. All of that we're covering in this series of videos here. So be sure to watch these. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified when new videos come out. This interest in points is what we call carrying cost. It's the cost of carrying capital or financing on a deal. And we're going to go into a whole lot more detail about hard money lending, even private money lending, how to raise it, how to do it, how to structure it. Hope you found this helpful. And this is Jerry Norton. I'll see you next time.